Hello, I'm Jay, owner of Volunteer Audio. This is Robbie. We've got a 23 model Roadglide special. We're doing an amazing 6-speaker upgrade in. I know you're going to watch it, but let me tell you about this bike. So the owner of this bike, we just finished up the series. We called it Roadglide Mania. We did 3 bikes. We did the 120th anniversary CVO. We did a 23 model ST. We also did a beautiful bright billiard blue RG3 in those video series. When he got home with them and he listened to them, he immediately sent this bike back. So this is the same guy that owned those 3 bikes. He brought back this one. So it is a 23 Roadglide special, and we're going to make it way more special. We're going to put this huge Hertz system in it. We're getting the SI radio from SoundStream. We're doing Hertz speakers in the fairing. We're doing a special set of lowers. I want you to listen as we go into how we built these lowers. They're the best sounding lowers you can get, as well as the Hertz SX690 in those beautiful Hertz cutting kits in the back. It's going to sound amazing. It's going to make him just as happy as his other 3 bikes. And I wanted to share this with you and show you the build. So watch, we'll go over the highlights, we'll go over some things in greater detail, and at the end, we're going to let you listen to it. So watch the rest of this video. All right, so one of the things that really is going to set this build apart is going to be this set of lowers. They're a custom painted set of lowers to match the bike perfectly. And this bike originally had the mustache bar, and we put a full-size engine guard on it to be able to add these. But what's going to make them so much better than a lot of the other ones is nobody builds this. I can't buy these like you see them here. So what this is this is a full set of lowers we ordered in that had speaker provisions. We then had them painted to match, and then we installed our air-cooled adapters. These adapters make it sound so much better because instead of that tiny pod you're used to seeing in most painted lowers that's all sealed and doesn't sound good, you've got a lot more airspace, and there's a port that comes out right here to give us much better mid-bass. Now once we get these installed on the bike, they're going to look great, but they're going to sound great too, where most of the time I'm not really happy with the tone I get out of most lowers. To top it off, we're going to use the SV165Neo mid-bass. So we're not going to be getting a lot of high range and treble from these. We're going to have plenty of treble in the upper part where we do our SX165Neos. That's going to be enough treble for anybody in the front of a bike. This is going to add more fullness, more mid-bass. So overall, we're going to get a better tone from the front of our bike. After that, we're going to go to the back. We're going to install these Hertz cut-in kits. They're going to look great in this color. They look great in just about every color, but we're also going to be putting the Hertz SX690Neo 6x9s in it. Neodymium magnets so they're not too heavy, so this lid still opens and closes properly. Extremely efficient and loud while being weatherproof. All this is going to be done with all plug-and-play harnessing. We're not going to modify anything that would hurt any warranties, and we're going to start at the front with the SoundStream HDHU.14Si. So that's the radio that you see us do all the time from SoundStream. And we take GTS radios out continually and put this in because we have a much better sound. It's audibly better, especially when you're doing an amplifier. We have a better EQ, we have better adjustment, it's faster, Apple CarPlay works better, Android Auto works better, it's just a better radio. Along with that, we're going to add the Sirius XM tuner. So he's going to have dedicated standalone satellite radio, which the SI does. Most other radios for Harley doesn't even have an input for that. We're also going to be using the ZZ2 ZZ Air CP. That's going to give us completely wireless Apple CarPlay. Some people get confused on this. The radio comes with Bluetooth, which is wireless. And then it has wired Apple CarPlay. By simply plugging this into the storage pocket USB, we're now going to have wireless CarPlay as well, which means our maps, our apps are all going to be on screen without having to plug the phone in. And with the new phones, that's not a big deal because we're not running batteries down like we used to because our phones are doing so much better. My phone's going about 2 days now on a charge. All right, to power this beast, the Hertz SP4.900, 1,000 watt RMS, 2,000 watts peak. We get about 190 watts to each speaker at 4 ohms. Now, in this case, we're doing 2 ohm in the front, so we're getting about 300 watts out of each front channel, continuous power, and we're getting 190 watts going to the back to feed those 6x9s. We're also going to upgrade those front grills, put the Hertz logos. It's going to match our cut-ins in the back. We're going to put awesome grills in the lower as well that match. It's all going to look great. It's going to sound great, and hopefully, we get to do another bike, because when he gets this home, when he rides it, it's going to be amazing as well. There's no greater compliment than when somebody comes to pick up their bike, or after we've done their bike, that they bring us their next one. That means they were happy beyond belief, and they wanted us to do another one. So let's get this bike tore apart. Me and Robbie got a lot of work ahead of us, but we're going to show you how we do it. And if you want to do this yourself, definitely go to volunteeraudio.com. Click the step-by-step install videos if you want to see this broke down into every little step and see if this is something you can do on your own. That's also where we're going to find these amazing packages pre-built. And we've got an amazing sale going on right now. I'm not going to tell you the prices because you may be watching this next year and they may be gone. So watch the rest of the build, check out the end result. We got a lot of work to do, so I got to quit talking and get to work. All right, so let's compare the speaker we're removing to the speaker we're putting in. So here's your factory Harley speaker. Very small, 5¼ inch actual speaker in a 6½ inch flange. Microscopic magnet. I mean, this thing doesn't pick up anything. It has no magnetic properties. It's pretty crazy how they made it work to begin with. But this little low quality speaker is what Harley puts in at factory. No wonder you can't hear it. Hertz has built us a much better speaker. So it's a true 6½. It's going to bolt in the exact same frame. You notice in the Roadglide there's not a lot of clearance for a speaker with a large magnet to fit. Now don't be fooled though, this smaller looking magnet is way stronger than the big magnets you see on some of the other speakers, because this is a rare earth neodymium N38H magnet. It's 40 times stronger than a strontium magnet, meaning it just has to have a couple ounces of magnets, not pounds of magnet, to be really strong. That's going to allow us for a lot more power handling. We also have a completely waterproof cone with a gasket to keep water from ever getting to the voice coil. So this is built for your Harley. Direct drop in to clear in the pods. Waterproof, so it's going to last a long time. And super, super loud and clear. Full 3-year warranty when you buy them from Volunteer Audio as part of our stage packages. That's even if you were to blow them, and you're not going to because we're going to set your amp right. But we're going to get these put in, we're going to get the pods back on, and we'll get back together at the back when we talk about our 6x9s. All right, so check out our cut-in kits. Great looking, different design, because everybody else on the market has the same look. Hertz built a much better looking one. It's got a recessed grille. It's got these louvers on the side that embossed Hertz logo, and it looks really, really good in this color. And most of the new bikes, which aren't all chrome, you've got some black and chrome accents, some machined accents, and a lot of people are even going all black. This fits really well into that look. They've built us a really heavy duty speaker mount on the inner side. So once you cut out that template, mount the grill to here, it's all well gasketed. Now we can hold our Hertz 6x9 in our lid. Also notice the angle. It's actually pointing this speaker toward you, so as the rider, you're going to get much, much better sound than the traditional CVO style lid or the 5x7 lids, or even some of the pre-painted like Advan Black lids that space that speaker way down here with an adapter firing straight up. This is going to fit all the way up into our lid to create more room and at the same time sound so much better. Now with the Hertz cutting kit, it comes with a gasket we've put on our speaker, so when we screw the speaker in, it's going to be watertight. Also uses that same N38H rare earth neodymium magnet, so it's extremely strong and powerful. This speaker is rated at 135 watts RMS, but a lot of times we send well over 200 to them and they hold up no problem. This speaker is a 3-way, meaning it has these 2 tweeters on top of that 6x9 woofer. These though are not going to be as bright or as crisp as the front ones. They're not meant to be. This is to blend in. When this is right, you're going to have great mid bass from the back. You're going to have clarity from the front, and together it makes a really full, great sounding system. That's why that Hertz Stage 4 is such a popular system for us. But in this case, we're going to move on to the lowers in a few minutes. I'll show you those, and we'll go over why we chose the ones we did and what it's going to add to the system as well. But for now, I'm going to get this speaker mounted in and move on and get the other side done so I can get up and show you those front lowers here shortly. All right, so first off, it's a lot easier to go and put your lower on when you have your gas tank out of the way. Same thing when you're doing lower pod adapters. Anytime you're putting speakers in, the gas tank will get in the way getting into these screws. I wanted to point out these lowers. They fit really, really well. The way that the latches or the opening and closing of these vents work is very, very smooth. And we had these custom painted. They're only available in vivid black where we can get them at. And then we've got a flat black, and I think it looks really good on these bikes. You have so many flat black accents anyways, as far as our speaker adapter itself. And it's the one that has that much larger airspace in here and the port to give us more mid-bass response. So when we put our SV mid-bass in here, we're gonna actually have bass coming out this area as well. So it's gonna give you a much more full sound. Shout out to Wade's Body Shop. They did the paint on these. They did the bright billiard blue on the last RG3. When they do it, it's absolutely perfect. And this paint is the quality of the rest of the bike. Whereas we see some of the other companies have them painted in China, the quality of that paint isn't gonna last or hold up like the rest of your Harley paint. So we think it's worth the extra to have them custom painted, base coat, clear coat, and get a really good layer of quality clear on it so it's gonna last for many, many years. Robbie and I are gonna finish bolting this pod on. Then we'll come back, we'll show you the speaker. We'll be getting the grill on, getting it in here, show you that end result. All right, so here is our SPL Show SV165Neo. Just like our upper 165s, this has that same rare earth magnet, that neodymium magnet that's so strong. As you'll notice though, it's just a woofer. It's just what we call a mid-bass. There is no tweeter. It's gonna give us a really good sound. It's gonna give us all the vocal range. It's gonna go right to the edge of that treble range. It'll still produce some treble, but it's not gonna give you that annoying over the top kind of dog whistle treble that you get out of some of the other ones. So put in this enclosure with that port, we're gonna have a really good full sound. Now we also have these grills that go on them that look a whole lot like what would be from Harley if you had like the HD audio grills that go on the Tour Pack. So those factory boom ones with the Harley logo. Very, very nice metal mesh grill, fits in here perfectly. The end result looks really good. A lot of the lowers you buy come with a grill that's not really meant to fit a speaker, or there's weird depth issues, or it doesn't seal well, or the pod's too small. There's so many problems with the lowers that people buy pre-painted and bring to us. We just feel like this is just a much better quality, much better way of doing it. And the end result shows just how much better in sound and look, because everything fits and works so well. All right, so I'm gonna get this speaker plugged in. We're using our lower wire harnesses that we have from Volunteer Audio, so it's completely plug and play. Makes it very, very easy. And it looks really professional when you're done as well. All right, so with the magic of the internet, we got all of this. Yeah, they just these two little speakers out and put everything that was on that table back in this bike. So now we have our Hertz 6-speaker system. We have that huge Hertz amplifier mounted under the radio behind the headlight. We have our new SI radio in place. This thing is ready to rock. We've already did our polarity test. We checked all our speakers, made sure they're all working together, and I'm ready to let you hear it. So we've got to play some copyright-free music. Still going to sound great. This thing absolutely sounds amazing. So here's the point where I say, get a set of headphones or a nice home audio system. You're not going to be able to tell how full and just how great this sounds by using your phone. So with that being said, that was your warning. Now we're going to listen to it and see just how awesome it turned out. right, so there aren't words to describe just how loud and clear this is. We use those same words over and over, but they don't do it justice. I'd love for you to come visit Volunteer Audio and let you hear one of these systems in person. They're so loud and clear, yet they're so musical. Every song, you hear the edges of the strings, you hear the crispness of the cymbals, you feel the kick drum when you've got something like this with that much power, these great mid-bass speakers, and a great design on how it's put together. So with that being said, come see us. We're in Oliver Springs, Tennessee. We're not far from the Smoky Mountains. We're not far from the Devil's Triangle. We're actually about 10 miles from there. The Tail of the Dragon is probably about a 45-minute ride from us. So while you're in the area checking out the Smokies, come to Volunteer Audio. Meet us. We'd love to meet you. We'd love to let you hear one of our bikes. Let us check out what you have. And maybe we can set up doing an appointment and install while you're in the area. If you think that sounds like a great idea, give us a call at 1-844-30-AUDIO and we can book that appointment. Now, if you think you can do this yourself, you probably can, because we make this so easy. We do all the hard work at Volunteer Audio before it ships. We preset the amps, we pre-wire them, and with our great step-by-step videos, if you're decently mechanically inclined, this is an easy task, just a little time consuming. That can save you a lot of money. We'd love to help you through that with our step-by-step videos, with our lifetime free tech support. You can call us if you need help, and you can have this, and you can get that accomplishment, that feeling that you get when you're done with something like this. So you can be so proud of it, you can show your friends. It sounds great, sounds awesome. I know the owner of this bike is going to be super happy. Comment below just how awesome you think it sounds. Tell us about what you're thinking about doing to your bike. Let me know what you ride, what your name is, and where you're from. If you're a subscriber, I want to hear from you. So comment now. Then just say, I made it to the end of the video and I've left a comment. Also, if you have any questions, comment. I'll be quick to answer those. And subscribe. If you haven't already subscribed to the channel, do it now. Visit volunteeraudio.com to see all of our different plug-and-play packages. We call them stage kits. So all you got to do is go to the top of the page, click motorcycles, click plug-and-play amp and speaker kits, and then answer a few questions, and we'll show you all the different packages that meet your needs. If you don't know what to do and that's too confusing, call us. We'd love to talk to you. We'll talk about the genre of music, the budget you have, what kind of bike you have, and we'll put together that perfect package. And you'll talk to a live person that will listen to you and make sure you get the right parts the first time. Thank you so much for watching. Robbie did an awesome job. I couldn't do all these bikes without him. He does such a good job. I wanted to shout out to him. And thank you for watching. Thank all of you that support us and purchase from us and bring us your bikes, or we wouldn't have anything to video and there'd be no reason to video it without you. Thank you so much, and God bless.